If your Wi-Fi is missing or simply not showing up after a Windows update, then this video is a perfect video for you because I'm going to show you how to fix this issue with your Wi-Fi not showing after a Windows update. So guys, the first thing that you want to do, just simply click on your file explorer and you want to go to your C drive. Open your C drive. Then you want to open the Windows folder. Then you want to look for the software folder. So go ahead and find the software folder. Then you want to open the software distribution folder, then the downloads folder, and you want to delete all of these. So just simply go ahead and delete all of these updates. Go ahead, select all of them, and you want to do a complete delete of these files. Now, the next thing that you want to do, you want to simply right click on the Windows icon here and you want to go to Device Manager. So go ahead and open up your Device Manager. Then under Network Adapters, you want to expand this and you want to find the option here that says wireless or Wi-Fi. In this case, you can see that I have my Intel Wi-Fi 6 here. So this is the one that you want to find. So anything within the list that says Wi-Fi or wireless, you want to go ahead and select this option. If you're not able to see it, just simply go ahead and click Actions and do a scan for hardware changes. This will do a reload and you should be able to see it there. Then you want to go ahead and right click on that and you want to do Update Driver. You have two options. You can simply do the search automatically and this will do automatic update. Right now, if that doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and go to Update again and you can choose the option that says Browse My PC. Then you want to go ahead and say, let me select one. So this will be able to allow you to pick one from the list and you can go ahead and choose the latest one or the second one. Just go ahead and choose them and see if any one of these work. Now, once you go ahead and do an update of these drivers, right, you want to simply go ahead and restart your computer. If after restarting your computer, you're still having the issues, you want to simply right click on the Windows icon and select Run. And then you want to type in services.msc, right? And just simply hit an OK. Now this will open up your services within Windows. Just simply click on any one of them and click W. Then you want to search for the one in the list that says WLAN auto config, right? You will be able to see the status if it's running or if it's stopped or whatever it is, but you want to go ahead and double click on it to open it. You want to ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. You will also be able to see if it's start or stop, but you can go ahead and simply stop it and start it again. Once you do all of this, just simply go ahead and click Apply and you simply need to click OK. You can also right click on it from here and you can do a restart or a stop and a start. You'll be able to see whichever status it is, but you can either do a stop and start or you can easily do a restart. Now once you do that, go ahead and restart your computer and this should in fact fix the issue for you. Now guys, if any of these steps does not work for you and you're still having issues, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do a follow-up tutorial providing more steps on how you can go about solving this issue. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.